post it on YouTube. Teacher Sherman.
Sino kaya mauuna? Okay, Tyler! Mamaya, babalik ni Tyler. Okay? Ayos ka pa.
Teacher!
Come here. Sige, Steven, dali ka. Pindutin mo.
I'm gonna upload it. There's hope again. There's hope again. There's hope. There's hope. Are you still si ano ng penny please? Oh! Go! Baby! No! It was close!
Jasmine! Tyler, Jasmine.
It was close to my name!
Just Jasmine, don't check. Jasmine, don't you see?
Oh, na? Sayang, ang close na sa pangalan. Teacher, ako naman!
Mamaya kayo kasama kayo kaklase. Last na muna tayo. Bago tayo break para kumain kami, Liam.
We're gonna eat. Wait, how did you get 4? Teacher allowed? Teacher said to get 4.
Wow, Reyes! Reyes, come here. Okay, ito si Reyes.
Hoy, tama na daw! Hindi na daw! Tama na daw!
Okay, grade 3, si Tyler pa mamaya. Okay po, mamaya meron pa po. Hanggat hindi naubos ito, i-spin natin ang i-spin. Okay? So, the time is 11:41. Okay, we're going to more than hour. Lunch break. Kakain na po na tayo ngayon. Mamaya, after the lunch. Okay? Okay, so, grade 3, let's start na po na. Let's pray para sa ating food na
Bye.
magkasalusaluhan ngayong araw na to.
Sa last